Hello everyone, Dave from Custom Upfitters, here to show you one of our latest projects. Super proud of this. BMW mobile van. It's going to be at the BMW NAC National Convention in 2024. So let's take a look at what we got here. So as you can see, this van is fully equipped for mobile service, mobile oil changes. Really awesome. I don't know where to start, but let's take a look. So we have our oil tank system here, which has 25 gallons of new oil with the reel. We have 17 gallons of coolant. We have our 50-gallon waste tank. We have another 17 gallons of washer fluid and an additional 25 gallons of another weight oil. So you can see that is awesome. This unit is set at 47 inches. So this will work in a standard roof van. It will also work in a Ford Transit Connect. I think it's a little heavy for that. People want to put them in, but a pickup truck, anything, because it's less than 48 inches wide and it's 42 inches tall. So what you have there then is something that can go in any vehicle if you wanted to do it yourself. We have our used oil filter bucket here. We have our oil extraction system. You have your floor jacks here with wheel chocks. You have your vacuum system that you use for the mobile evacuation system for the regulator. This is all built out of aluminum. Every piece that we put on is aluminum. We have two 6-gallon aluminum additional storage tanks. So the beauty of this is that when you go out to do a service, everything that you need for an oil service, tire rotation, anything that's going to require the vehicle to be jacked up, brake job, is all right here. Everything you need is right here, right down to your shop rags, your coolant bucket fills that you would fill up and bring to the car. It's all set in one. Let's take a look around the other side, the business side. So you're going to notice that the lights are not on until we walk in. They're motion activated lights. We have the heavy duty floor in here. It's chemical resistant. You have your charger right here, your 110 outlet, additional garbage storage here, fire extinguisher. This rack here is designed for all your large parts. You have any big storage that you need, airbags, brakes, things like that. Those are all, see, my motion light went out. All designed for big parts. Batteries, new battery storage, and then bringing back the old one, strap right in there. Simple system. It adapts to any battery that you size you have. Over here, what you're going to see is we have a tablet system. This tablet gives you the full condition of your batteries. We have a 330 amp lithium battery here. We have the full workings of the lithium system. We have our breaker panel there. You got a fan for the technician that's into the work area. You have your BMW universal spares, easy spare here, all locked in. Take one off, bring the customer's tire back to the shop. The beauty of that is when it comes back to the shop, you can have the customer come in or pick up their car. If there's any upsell, alignment, any other additional tires needed, customer will come back to your shop. More storage for oil filters, wiper blades. You got the Boxo box here, fully loaded with tools, as you can see. These are all metric tools, all in a place, nothing's roaming around. And you have your motion lights here. All the workings of the pumps and everything are all here that you can access and repair if you have to, if you ever have to change a hose. 12-volt heavy-duty compressor. This compressor is a monster. It's very quiet. You know, it's just all set in. You could see that you have a work area here if you have to lay something out and work on it. And just really well laid out. It's got strobe safety lights front and rear. Thing is ready to go. The beauty of this van is BMW had asked me to build a van that wasn't overwhelming and large like our tire vans. This is just about a 6-foot height in here. It's a medium roof, 148, 250 van. It holds its weight with no problem, but it's really good to use in city applications where, you know, things are tight. It's not the big van. It's a good sized van. As you can see, there's plenty of room to work. We even figured out the other day that the compressor makes a good spot to have your lunch in the daytime. So Custom Upfitters is very proud of this van with their sister company, Custom Mobile Vans. It's all here, guys. We can build whatever you want. This is our design and layout. We basically, if you can dream it, we can build it. Have a great day, and see you at NAC.